Assalamu alaikum, boys and girls. How are you? We've got grammar today. And do you know what we're doing? Pronouns. Do you know what a pronoun is? For instance, if I say Salman and Ahmed are going to the shops, and then I can say they are going to the shops. I'm not going to use their name again. Or Alina was making food. She was making food. Okay, do you want to? Yes, tell me. Yes, that's a good one. Would you like repeat it? Very good. Basit is my friend. And then he is my friend. Very good. So, shall we start? Okay, please open your book to page number 25. Okay? Good. Now, we need to see the name here. The name Sarah. Sarah made dinner for all of us. What will we write there instead of Sarah? She. Very good. She made dinner for all of us. Number 2. Hamna played badminton with Amna. Hamna played badminton with Amna. She. Very good. Listen to this one. Mr. Anis went to the office with Mr. Farrokh. Mr. Anis went to the office with Mr. Farrokh. Very good. So, he went to the office with Mr. Farrokh. Very good. Now look at this one. Harun Villa needs a fresh coat of paint. Harun Villa needs a fresh coat of paint. It. Very good. It needs a fresh coat of paint. Now turn over to page 26. Page 26. Right, circle the pronouns. Number 1. She went to the store with Dina. She. Good. Number 2. We had to squeeze in the small car. We. Good. Now look at this one. Every Thursday, Iman goes to Marco with them. Let's start again. Every Thursday, Iman goes to Marco with them. Good. Very good. So, she. Very good. And then, good. At the store, the shopkeeper gave her some money. Her. Very good. And then he goes to office very early in the morning. He. Very good. I enjoyed watching them play in the ground. I. Very good. Next one. Number 7. He put the toys on the shelf. He. Good. Number 8. If I finish my dinner, Mum will be happy. I. Very good. Number 9. We watched the animals in the zoo. We. Good. Ali broke my sandcastle. What will you pronoun? He. Very good. I threw the ball and Usman caught it. Very good. I. Very good. So now we're doing using ing. Now, can you see the little words? Bake, eat, take, climb, write, lick, sleep. So, we're going to use the words from there. Sarah is, now, what word? Licking. Very good. Sarah is licking her vanilla ice cream. Excellent. Number 2. They are eating. Very good. The girl is writing. Very good. And my friends are climbing. Very good. On the mountain. I am what? Taking my little brother to the doctor today. Sana is baking. Baking. The baby is sleeping. Very good. Now, the last one. Tenses. My dad is works, or working. Very good. Working. The workers were cutting wood from the tree. Good. Cutting. The policeman catching, caught. Caught. Very good. The thief with the stolen things. Number 4. She coughed. She was coughing. She coughed during the whole time in the school. She was coughing. Very good. Well done. Number 5. Yesterday we watch. Yesterday we watching, or yesterday we watched. Very good. Yesterday we watched TV late till night. Number 6. I was laughed or laughing at the joke. I was laughing at the joke. Well done. So, what I want you to do, look at the video again and again. Finish all this off, write it neatly, send it to your teacher. Okay? Allah Hafiz.